Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to solve the white cross on a 3 into 3 Rubik's cube. Let's start. Step 1. Find the white center. This is the white center. We'll build the cross around these pieces. Step 2. Find a white edge. When you find it, bring it to the bottom layer. Okay. Step 3. Match the color. Now match the other color of the edge with its center color. For example, is white green. Match it with the green center. Green center. Step 4. Bring the edge up. After matching, turn the 4 up to place the edge in the cross. Do this for all 4 white edges. Step 5. Check the cross. Now you should have a perfect white cross and all the side color should match their centers. That's it. This is how you solve the white cross easily. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.